What's going on, everyone? Stephen Hamby here again with Denthogs Paintless Dent Repair. Today in the shop we're going to be working on a 1978 Honda CB550 gas tank. This was shipped down here to Georgia to our shop all the way from Massachusetts, where the customer is anxiously awaiting his tank back. So I'm going to take you over and show you this crease that's in the tail end of the gas tank and show you how we've got it set up on our vise. And then we're going to get set up and started with the repair, and then we're going to film the repair process while it takes place so you can kind of see how that happens. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you taking the time to check us out. We'll go ahead and get started. It's got a nice little crown here at the bottom, crease going all the way up to the top, a little bit of scarred up paint there, and a crown here at the top. This customer is actually restoring this bike, getting it ready to give to his son as a gift. And was mainly concerned with the dent and wants to keep the paint original. So that's where Paintless Dent Repair comes in. We're not going to use any Bondo or filler or anything like that to get this dent out of here. We're going to leverage through the fuel opening, run our tools all the way down to this crease and start shaping it back out. All right, we have our lights set up. You can see right here is the crease going through the pinstripe. Nice little pinch up at the top and the bottom with some crowns above and below it. So we're gonna have to tap that pressure down to alleviate some of the pressure holding this metal in. And then we'll start shaping it back out in here. We're gonna use heat, but not too much because we don't wanna damage the graphic, just enough to get the metal warm and allow it to shape out without the paint fracturing on the way out.
So we just screwed on one of the tips that we use to shape out damage, and we have several of these that we alternate in between depending on the dent, the location, and the stage of the repair. So as you can see, we're inside the tank, we're shaping the metal back out, and we're going to be using our light there as a reflection to guide us as we work the damage back out. We're actually reading that light, reading how the metal reacts as we shape it out, and then we're going to be tapping down crowns in between, tapping down the little high spots that emerge to try to get this metal back completely flat. At this point in the repair, we're just putting on the finishing touches, getting those last little lows out so we can get the metal nice and slick until we get to this point right here. This is the finished result. The only evidence that was ever damaged is a little bit of a nick on the pinstripe from the impact, but other than that, the dent is gone, completely restored, and you could never even tell it was damaged. We really enjoy working on these types of restoration jobs. They're always fun projects to be involved with. It's really rewarding, and we take a lot of pride in the work that we do on these bikes. So guys, we really appreciate you taking the time to check out this video. If you'd like to get in touch with us about scheduling a repair, you can reach out to us at 678-544-3004. You can shoot us an email to propdrofga@gmail.com, or you can find us on our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com. All right, guys, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.